The food and nutrition trends for 2025 reflect a growing focus on health, sustainability, and innovation. Here are some of the most significant trends shaping the future of food. 1. Personalized nutrition. Consumers are seeking diets tailored to individual health needs, driven by advances in technology and nutritional science. This includes gender-specific nutrition, with a rise in products for women focusing on hormonal health and beauty, and for men focusing on muscle building and recovery. 2. Alternative proteins. The demand for sustainable protein sources is leading to innovations like insect-based proteins and plant-based seafood. Startups are using cricket farming and lab-grown alternatives to reduce environmental impact while offering high-protein, nutrient-dense foods. 3. Gut health. Gut-friendly foods like prebiotics, probiotics, and fermented foods are becoming central to dietary choices as research increasingly links gut health to overall well-being. 4. Natural and minimal processing. Consumers are increasingly wary of ultra-processed foods and are looking for more natural alternatives. Fresh, minimally processed foods, often with functional health benefits, are gaining popularity. 5. Sustainability and ethical dining. Eco-friendly practices are becoming a priority both in food production and dining out. This includes reducing food waste, sourcing locally, and creating plant-based alternatives to reduce environmental footprints. These trends reflect broader shifts toward health-conscious, sustainable, and technologically innovative food choices, creating exciting opportunities for the future.